Nigeria plus South Africa is better than Nigeria alone. Nigeria plus Kenya is better than Nigeria alone. Nigeria plus Ghana plus South Africa plus Kenya plus Rwanda plus Zimbabwe. That's a stronger Africa. That's a stronger body of believers. Only Yeshua will reign forever. To his kingdom there'll be no end. Only Yeshua will reign forever. To his kingdom. Only Yeshua will reign forever. Let me tell you this, look at me. Let me challenge the church for 1 minute. Don't complain about poor leadership. Those who have the influence and the grace, start creating programs to raise the next generation of leaders without guile or corruption. And thank God, even in our midst, we have people here who are veterans in leadership. It doesn't take too long to grow. While you are complaining, growth has happened. And another set of corrupt people. Can I tell you the truth? I believe one of the reasons why God has kept the fathers is because we are not ready to take their shoes. We can complain in our arrogance to say they should go. I'm thinking about myself, for an example, wearing the shoes of Daddy Gio. I don't know what the church in Nigeria will become. I don't trust myself. I don't know what I can do. I don't know if I can stand the pressure, for an example, of wearing that shoe. So I will not be foolish to run my mouth. While they are still alive, we will watch. What we have to learn, we learn. Where God is adding to our small knowledge, we add to it. Spend more time raising the next generation of reformers than complaining about the ones who are there. If the church rages, oh, this is the national, is this still the current one? It's embarrassing. No, this is the former one now. This is the current one. I pledge to Nigeria, my country. Is that it? We're going to recite this thing before we are done. So allow me finish. Then you lay your hand on your chest, we'll shout it, and then we'll pray. You have to believe in Nigeria. This, your hatred for Nigeria must change. I hope the politicians are seeing what we are doing, so that the next time they are speaking, give credit to the church too. We are doing what some of you people are not doing. If a church right now creates a program to raise entrepreneurs, how many of you know that the battle to fight them will still be in the church? They'll say, why are you raising people? It's not about finances. Finance is not an issue of the church. Why are you saying that? Correct what is wrong and raise reformers. If you find people stretching for 5-6 hours praying in the church, it's still the church that will insult them. What are you doing with long prayers of 3, 4, 5 hours? 5, 10 hours? As if there are no demons, as if growth is not a spiritual affair. Are you seeing that now? There is an autoimmune problem in the church. The battles that are plaguing the church are not from the exterior. It's right from inside. Don't mind social media and all those insulting the church. That is a minute fraction of our problems.